All right, hopefully this works. I don't know if it is working. All right, so I made a presentation on safe communication and practices in aviation. My name is Justin Reese. Communication is key in aviation. There are many aircraft in the sky at one time occupying the same airspace, traveling different directions at very high speeds. It's very different than traveling on the road where there's lines and stoplights. So there's no stoplights in the sky. So we need to, there's a lot more steps to communicating when you can take off, essentially, and all the other rules of flight so that we can prevent accidents. So communication, or the lack thereof, is a huge cause of accidents in aviation. Radio messages. Messages between air traffic control and pilots are currently almost entirely verbal and over the radio. Radio technology has its flaws. There can be interference with other planes trying to communicate on the same frequency, or sometimes there can be a bad signal, along with other issues. Pilots and air traffic control are encouraged to understand the messages received clearly before continuing, and they must ask for clarification if part of the message was not heard. If current laws and regulations are followed as written, communications-based accidents would nearly cease to exist. The tedious steps of sending multiple messages to and from air traffic control can lead to pilots becoming impatient and eager to skip steps to take off faster. Discipline and proper training are key. Text communications have been proposed recently. Basically technology just to say the same messages over text instead of hoping that the pilot hears it correctly, and it has been implemented in some areas. So basically no system is going to be perfect to prevent all accidents. Human error and lack of discipline are always going to be there, but they can be reduced. Radio communication is imperfect and could be replaced or improved upon, but also how many steps are we going to take? Time is money, so you have to take into account that there is a business and there's people waiting to take off. People don't want to wait on the tarmac for 4 hours waiting to take off, and you can tell them it's for safety, but they're not going to be happy with you. And there's my sources.